Frequently asked questions. What is the suggested ad spend for small businesses to safely receive leads? Although all campaigns differ in how they receive leads in relation to the marketing objective being pursued and the audience they are targeting, the common consensus is that you have to be able to spend enough in order to get the amounts of data that will allow you to get relevant leads. But how much is enough for small businesses? It all depends on how large your advertising budget is, as there are small businesses spending from $200 to $1,000 on a single campaign, which is enough to drive awareness and retrieve relevant audience data. The trick is in spending no more than a third of your total daily budget on a single bid. For example, if you set a daily budget of $50 and you spend $15 on a single bid, you won't be getting enough clicks for the remainder of the day. In fact, your costly bid won't guarantee that you will get a lead out of it. Is it better to set a daily budget or an overall campaign budget? It can be beneficial to set an overall campaign budget as long as you can afford a large ad spend and if you don't mind a campaign eating up your entire budget in a single day, as campaign lifetime budgets are very likely to eat through a budget fast when you set your bids high. Now, if you would rather space out your ad spend, simply set a daily budget that you can comfortably accommodate. How long should you run your campaigns? The simplest way to know how long you should run a campaign is to look at the campaign's performance to see if a campaign is meeting your marketing goals. If you are meeting your goals and are perceiving an adequate return on investment, then you can essentially run a campaign for as long as it works for you. Now, if you are not hitting your objectives, you will need to stop your campaigns in order to review and optimize them. Let performance be your guide. Are all LinkedIn targeting options available for all ad campaign formats? Yes, all of LinkedIn's marketing solutions will allow you to make use of all targeting options available. In fact, you will be able to make up to 100 selections per targeting option, and you can easily expand the reach of your campaigns by enabling audience expansion. What determines ad pricing? Ad pricing will depend on whether your campaigns are managed by a marketing solutions representative or if you're using LinkedIn's self-service advertising platform to manage your campaigns. In the case of a managed campaign sold through a marketing solutions representative, ad pricing is based on cost per click and cost per mile, which is the price of ads per 1,000 impressions. You will just have to select the pricing option that best fits your marketing objective. Self-service campaigns, on the other hand, allow you to control the cost of your campaigns in two ways, either by selecting a daily or total campaign budget or by setting maximum bids per click or per 1,000 impressions. If you select to set your bids, you will be able to see the average bid range according to your target audience, and generally, the higher you bid, the more results you will see. Do you have to create company updates in order to promote sponsored content? Not necessarily. While the easiest way to promote sponsored content is by selecting a company update from your company page and set it up as a sponsored content ad, you can also create direct sponsored content ads directly from the campaign manager without the need to create company updates beforehand. Will your sponsored content appear somewhere outside the LinkedIn newsfeed? LinkedIn has created partnerships with multiple exchanges and publishers that allows it to serve your sponsored content on apps and sites where people are likely to benefit from engaging with your content, which will in turn benefit you because of increased exposure. Such placements are part of the LinkedIn Audience Network and are only available when you target audiences located in the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, India, Singapore, and New Zealand. Does a campaign manager report your ad delivery outside of LinkedIn? Yes, you can get a report detailing your ad performance outside of LinkedIn by going to your campaign manager, selecting the campaign that you want to get a report on, then going to the performance section, clicking on the export button, and selecting the audience network performance option to download the report. Will your ads look different outside of LinkedIn? It will greatly depend on your ad specs, but in general, you can expect your ads to look slightly different depending on your ad image sizes and the placements where your ads are served. Will all of your campaigns show on the audience network? No. In fact, only sponsored content campaigns that have cost per click selected as their bid type are available to show ads outside of LinkedIn. Text ad campaigns and cost per mile campaigns will not show on the audience network.